welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Brooke and I decided to vlog today. So right now I'm about to make an iced coffee because I really need one. I'm currently packing. I'm going back home, so my bed is currently a mess, covered in clothes. I'm packing to go home this weekend. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go and make an iced coffee. It's gorgeous weather today. It's like hot but cold. It's like really hot and sunny but cool at the same time, if that makes any sense. I also went grocery shopping yesterday. I have the fridge nice and stocked. Looks beautiful. I got a ton of fresh fruit, which I'm so excited to eat. Oh, I love fruit so much. And this is my favorite coconut water brand ever, and they came out with a strawberry rose flavor, and I love strawberry and rose, so I can't wait to try this out because I love the original one so much. So I'm hoping this one is thebomb.com. So pretty outside. Oh, I just want to go lay out right now. I really wish Bo was off work right now so we could go and lay out. That would be fantastic, but sadly he has to work today. So it's just me. I'm only gonna be gone for a few days, and I feel like I'm packing for like 3 months, which I don't need to pack this many things, but in my mind I'm like, I need all these options, and like, what if this and what if that, and I wish I could be one of those people that like pack one bag and that's it, and just like 3 things. That would be fantastic. Then I'm shopping for swimsuits right now online. I'm going to the beach in a few weeks, so I need to find a new cute one, so I'm just browsing right now. I'm just about to eat some lunch. I bought this wrap from Whole Foods yesterday. It's a spinach tortilla and it has the Sonoma chicken salad on it, which is my all-time favorite. So I'm gonna have this for lunch real quick and catch up on a few YouTube videos. It's so good. Like it's amazing. I'm obsessed with it. If you've never tried this, try it out. It's so bomb. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. Just got back home from a meeting, so I'm back at home. I'm in the kitchen about to cook something for dinner real quick for me and Bo. So I want to do something with these brioche rolls. If you know me, you know that I am obsessed with anything brioche. I love brioche buns, brioche, anything brioche. It's my fave. Very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead, get cooking, and I will see you guys in the morning. Now the next morning, just got out the shower. I'm about to go and make an acai bowl. So I really wanted to get beef-free honey to like drizzle on top. That's like my favorite, but they didn't have it at the Whole Foods over here, so when I go back home I'm gonna have to look for it. But I've got strawberries, bananas, granola, so I'm gonna go make this real quick. All right, so I got my blender out. I'm so sad I don't have apple juice, and I always make it with apple juice. It just tastes so good, but I'm gonna try oat milk instead and see how it goes. So I've got my little acai packet. These are amazing. It's unsweetened. I really like this one. Just gonna cut it open. And then I like to do a whole frozen banana. I'm gonna blend this all up. Just got done with my bowl. I didn't have much fruit, so I just did strawberries, and then I just put nuts, butter, granola, some honey, and then I really don't like the color of this. It looks so much better with apple juice and when you have other fruit, but I'm really excited to eat it. I'm sure it tastes just as good. I made these bomb looking chicken kebabs. They look so good. We're gonna watch Monk, which we always do. We do that literally every night. So we're gonna eat. So we decided to make some chocolate chip cookies and we have oat milk with it. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite cookie, like on the planet. I really don't want to share these. Sorry, Will. So I woke up to over 100,000 views on my video. Oh my gosh. I am literally freaking out. This is just so cool to me. Like, to think that one of my videos has over 100,000 views. It's surreal. Like, I don't know. I'm so excited. I'm filled with so many different emotions right now. I'm happy. I'm so grateful. And I don't know. I'm so happy. So thank you to whoever's watched any of my videos. Like, honestly, it means everything to me. And I literally could cry right now. I'm so excited. This is so cool. I'm about to try this coconut water. It's the strawberry rose. So we're about to find out if this is any good, because I love the regular one and I told you guys that I would let you know how this one is. Let's see. This is a really weird angle, but this is the only way I can get the camera to stay up. All right, let's try this. I just brushed my teeth, so it's probably gonna taste terrible, but let's see. It's good. It's like very unexpected tasting. Like, I didn't expect it to taste like that, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. I like it. I still think I like the regular one better though. Hello. We're going out to dinner right now. I'm so excited. We're gonna get, well, we're about to. We're gonna go get Spanish food, which I'm so pumped about, at this place called Barcelona. I've heard nothing but good things. Sorry the lighting's so harsh. I'm about to turn. So, I am extremely pumped about this. And it's all I've been thinking about all day. Yeah. So, it's like 30 minutes later. We get there, there's so many people, like so many people, as if Corona just never existed. So the wait was like almost a 2-hour wait, and your girl is hungry. So we decided to eat somewhere else. We tried to go to Bar Taco. They were so packed as well, and we were like, okay, like screw this, we're starving. So now we're at Joyland and we're about to get burgers. I like how like we get dressed up and we're about to go eat like some fancy food, and now we're gonna go eat burgers. But it's fine with me, I love a good burger. So now we're gonna go eat. There's fireflies!
And fireworks.
And fireworks. What the heck?
And the sunset. Because people know that Brooke made it to 100,000 views.
Oh, is that what they know?
I think that's what it is.
Up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.